Welcome to the question answer session. We are doing this after a long time and we are going to answer your questions which you put on our YouTube comments. These Q&A sessions really help us to connect with you and also answer your questions on video. As you already know, we answer all the comments and that is the specialty at Excel Academy. But apart from that, the important questions I am also answering in this Q&A session. So without wasting more time, first we have Jess Kukreja. So here Jess Kukreja is asking, one confusion sir, if company is notified in official gazette as dissolved, that is death of a company, then how can we file a petition for reviving? Matlab logic kya hai sir is the question. So the logic is very simple. See, once the company is dissolved or struck off, please understand in strike off it is not yet dissolved. So because the concept is strike off or removal of name. If you see section 248, it clearly says that the company has been struck off, the company has been removed the name. The removal of name concept is different from dissolved. When we say dissolved, it undergoes the procedure of winding up and after winding up it is dissolved. Please understand in simple words, striking off is like coma stage. You know, people can come out of coma, correct? But the winding up and dissolution is like death. So winding up is a process and dissolution is the last step, the order passed by the NCLT, then this procedure is dissolved. So dissolved or dissolution is like death of a company, but then in our strike off or removal of name, just for you to understand, it is like coma stage. So if you are in coma, you can always come back to life, and that is the logic. You can apply for revival. If you read section 248 to 252, it has all the provisions about how you can revive a company which has been struck off, which the name has been removed. Name may be removed by ROC or by the application of the company, but you cannot revive a company which has been dissolved. So I hope you understood the logic. Next question is from Tulasi. She says, sir, please do videos on Indian Contract Act. Tulasi, in fact, we have the entire Indian Contracts Act by Dr. Emma Srinivasan, which is on our channel. Just go to the playlist. The entire Indian Contract Act is there and he's done it very well. You can watch those videos. Next question comes from Archie Mascarenas. Please create videos for module 2 of CS Executive. So Archie, not only module 2, from today we are going to have daily uploads on our YouTube channel. That is for CS Foundation, CS Executive, module 1, module 2, CS Professional, anything related to the CS course. We are going to be having daily videos from today, and please don't worry, we will also do for Executive module 2. Next question comes about our workshop. Anisha, sir, I have not yet finished studying the subjects. Before completing it, will it be useful to attend the workshop? When it will be conducted? So this is very important for you to know that we are having the workshop this time on November 23rd in Bangalore, November 24th in Chennai, and December 1st in Mumbai. And this is a physical workshop, a one-day workshop where it will change your entire perspective about how you study law. And let me tell you, from our previous batches, students who have attended this workshop have got above 60, and the ones who did not get above 60 also, they have done very well in the exam, and their entire perspective about this course has changed, and this one day can change your life. So please make sure you come to either Chennai, Bangalore or Mumbai, whichever is closest to where you live, and this workshop will be exclusively a physical workshop which will help you do well in the exam. Next question comes from one of our old subscribers, Parth Chabra. Sir, please tell about ICSA membership for doing job abroad. So Parth, I've actually done a video about how you can get a job abroad if you're a company secretary, and in that video I've told you mainly that even if you're ICSI member, ICSA London member, that is not enough. Now we have to see each country's immigration policy. So there may be countries like Australia or New Zealand which are open to take immigrants, but countries in Europe or America are very closed, and also the laws are very different from, like, let's say America and India. So there you might not get a job, but there are countries like Commonwealth countries, that could be our Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or any other Asian countries where the British had once ruled. In such countries you have a chance, especially like Singapore or Hong Kong. So you have to work hard and you should have some experience in India to go there. So just because you passed ICSA London exam, that will not qualify you. To know more, watch the video on studying and working abroad as a company secretary. The link is in the description below. Next we have a question from Karthik. Hello sir, my age is 36. I'm writing CS exam from 5 years but couldn't succeed till date. If I write and clear CS exams, is there opportunity in CS career? Mr. Karthik Kumar, definitely there is. In fact, we have made a video about Anand Krishna and Vijaya Rao ma'am. You can check the videos in the description below. Age is just a number. Please don't worry what is your age, and the opportunities are for people who complete company secretary. You may be 21 or you may be 51 or 61. It really doesn't matter. In fact, recently one person we know who is above 60 has passed the company secretary exam and she is ready for joining the job. So please don't worry about the age. Just keep working hard, do the right things. Maybe you are not doing the right thing. Maybe you are studying well, but the way you present might not be the perfect. So that is why you can just sharpen your skills. We are there to help you, and that will make sure that you do well in the CS exams. But please don't leave the course. Age is just a number. You can get a job as a CS, even practice as a CS, no matter what is your age. Next question comes from Saundarya. Sir, why you are not making videos regarding subjects and exams? Please make some videos. It will definitely be helpful for us. Please consider this, waiting for your videos. So Saundarya, as I already told you, please don't worry. From today we are going to have one video daily on YouTube for company secretary students. It may be about subjects, it may be about how to study, it may be about motivation, it may be interviews, it may be experience of old students, whatever it is. Please be assured you are going to get one video every day, not only on YouTube. We are going to be having lot of content on Instagram, on Telegram, on WhatsApp status, and every other social media platform where you are there. So make sure you keep following us, and you can also download our Android app. So this Android app will give you all the updates about the company secretary course, and this is a completely free app. You can get the link of the app in the description below. Next we have Nitin. This is the best YouTube channel for students who are doing company secretary course like me. All the best, sir. So Nitin, thanks a lot for your wishes, and this comment came from you regarding our new studio opening. Yes, we are in our new studio and we are going to be giving much more better content and with better quality so that you become a company secretary. That is our endeavor at Excel Academy, and we need your support and also encouragement to give you the videos. And as always, please comment for every video which we are putting up. Please give your suggestions. Tell us what kind of videos you want. We will be happy to make it for you. And apart from that, like I already told you, please visit our website. Please also download our free Android app, which will keep you updated about the company secretary course and help you to become a CS as soon as possible. The last question in this session is Satya Prakash. Thanks a lot for sharing the video on the timetable, and is there any special guidance for professional program student? So Satya Prakash, the formula which Raksha has given about daily study, she has told how you can study effectively for 13 plus hours as a full-time student. That applies to everyone. You may be foundation, executive, professional. If you try and apply that, definitely you can be well prepared for exam. Please remember, the company secretary exam is about preparation. Don't worry about the 3 hours of the exam. That you will do very well if you are prepared well. So the more you prepare, the more focused you prepare, and the number of quality hours which you put while preparing is very important, and that is why this formula is applicable to everyone. And please make sure that you comment on this video and please give us your suggestions of what else you want. And for more such videos, subscribe to Excel Academy, and I will see you in the next Q&A session.